feeling the shift. Have you noticed it? That subtle yet undeniable change in the air, the kind that feels like a whisper just beyond your hearing. It's as though time itself has accelerated, like everything around us is moving faster, reshaping in ways that defy simple explanation. The routines we once relied upon, the patterns that brought us comfort, now feel strangely out of sync, almost irrelevant. It's as if the very fabric of our reality is being rewoven, challenging us to adapt in ways we've never had to before. For some, this whirlwind of change is exhilarating, a surge of new opportunities and possibilities. They're thriving, effortlessly aligning with this new rhythm. But for others, the experience is more unsettling, leaving them grappling to hold on to old ways that no longer serve them. The familiar feels foreign, and the reliable feels unreliable. It's disorienting, yet impossible to ignore. If you've felt this shift, if you've sensed this quiet but profound transformation, then you're already tuned into something extraordinary, a powerful evolution that many are calling the 5D shift. This is more than just a change. It's a leap into a new dimension of consciousness, a redefining of what it means to exist and thrive in an ever-evolving world. Understanding the 5D shift. Now I know what you're thinking. What exactly is the 5D shift? And why does it feel so significant? Let me break it down for you. We've been living in what is often referred to as the 3D world, a dimension primarily defined by physical reality, linear time, and duality. This is the realm of contrasts. This or that, me versus you, and the perpetual tug-of-war between opposites like light and dark, love and fear. It's a dense frequency where the material often overshadows the spiritual, and life feels rooted in the tangible. But here's where things get fascinating. Something extraordinary is happening right now. The Earth, along with all its inhabitants, is undergoing a profound transformation, evolving into a higher vibrational state, a fifth-dimensional reality, or 5D. This isn't some abstract, far-off concept. It's already happening, and many people are starting to feel its effects. It's a shift in consciousness, a redefinition of how we experience reality. So, what does this mean for us? In the 5D paradigm, life shifts from being centered on separation to one of unity. It's about transcending the me versus you mindset and embracing a profound sense of connection with ourselves, each other, and the universe. This dimension is characterized by harmony, flow, and alignment with the highest frequency of all, love. In 5D, time becomes fluid rather than strictly linear, allowing for a greater sense of synchronicity and the unfolding of events in perfect divine timing. Another hallmark of 5D living is the rapid manifestation of thoughts and feelings into reality, making clarity and intention more important than ever. And here's a critical point to grasp. This shift isn't solely about spiritual evolution. It's also about our survival and thriving as beings on a planet that is becoming lighter, faster, and more attuned to higher vibrations. Adapting to these new frequencies isn't just optional. It's essential for aligning with this new way of being. As we let go of fear and embrace love, we not only contribute to this global transformation, but also find ourselves living more fulfilling, purposeful lives. This 5D shift is an invitation, a call to rise above the chaos and density of the old ways and step into a reality where possibility, connection, and higher consciousness become the norm. The current energetic landscape. Let's take a moment to ground this discussion in the context of what's happening in our world right now. The Earth is literally receiving more light on multiple levels, scientifically, spiritually, and energetically. If you've heard of phenomena like solar flares or shifts in the Earth's electromagnetic field, you're already familiar with some of the physical changes taking place. However, this influx of light isn't just a physical phenomenon, it's deeply energetic. It's a catalyst for profound transformation, urging us to shed old patterns, heal deep wounds, and embrace a higher state of being.